Have you ever pondered about the unseen forces that might be at play when you surf the internet? Have you ever questioned the influence of the devilish figure, Satan, on online platforms? Today we delve into an intriguing exploration of how Satan manipulates online platforms to distort God's plan. This isn't about fear, but about awareness. Before we delve into the video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more spiritual truths and engaging Christian videos. Now let's get to it. Take the case of Jane, a regular churchgoer who found herself in a web of conspiracy theories on a social media platform. Jane, a woman of faith, was targeted by an algorithm that fed her a steady diet of disinformation. Innocently, she started to question her beliefs, her community, and even her own existence. Satan, through the guise of algorithmic manipulation, used Jane's curiosity against her, leading her astray from her spiritual path. Or consider the story of Tom, a priest from a small town in Ohio. Tom was the victim of an online scam that promised to fund a new church in his community. The scam, disguised as an act of generosity, was a tool of Satan to sow seeds of doubt and discord. Tom lost not only his savings, but also his faith in humanity, causing a ripple effect of negativity in his community. Moreover, reflect on the tale of Susan, a devout Christian who was led to an online community that preached hate and intolerance under the guise of religious righteousness. Susan was manipulated into believing that her faith required her to judge and exclude others. Here, Satan used the power of the internet to distort God's message of love, charity, and hospitality. In each of these cases, Satan manipulated online platforms to distort God's plan, leading individuals astray and causing discord in communities. So, what's the takeaway from these stories? First, Satan's manipulation of online platforms is subtle and insidious. It can come in the form of an algorithm, a scam, or a toxic community. Second, this manipulation targets our vulnerabilities and uses them against us. Jane's curiosity, Tom's generosity, and Susan's devotion were all exploited to lead them away from their spiritual path. Lastly, the consequences of this manipulation are far-reaching. It can lead to doubt, discord, and division, disrupting not only individual lives, but entire communities. Thus, as we navigate the digital world, it is crucial to be aware of these potential manipulations and to stay grounded in our faith and values. Remember, the devil prowls like a roaring lion, seeking someone to devour. But with vigilance and faith, we can resist him and stay true to God's plan. That concludes our exploration of how Satan manipulates online platforms. Let this be a reminder to remain vigilant in our digital interactions and to always choose love, acceptance, and truth over deceit and division. Stay safe, stay informed, and most importantly, stay faithful.